Loni mga kuys, kumustahin nga natin ang bagong-bagong bukas na McDonald's Lukban Highway.
Wow!
With a drive-thru and play place for the kids. Malapit lang ito sa Bypass Road and PTT Gasoline Station.
Get it! Nahihiya pa. Thank you. Ben, nasaan na si Ochok? Chok! 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 Where are you? Hi! Hi! Hi ka! Slide ka na! Slide ka! Hi!
Wow!
Chok! Hi! Hi!
So what are you waiting for? Makilab ko to na! See you there mga kuys! Masalamat!